the Pippin and you'll love the Thunder.
Here.
Hop on, bud.
Oh, it's nice in here.
Please remember to stay seated at all times and keep your arms and legs inside the car. If the buggy should stop for any reason, please remain seated and wait for my instructions. I would not want to alert the spirits to your location. Thank you for your help. Now please, exit towards the back. Good luck and happy hunting.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I can't see, you know.
Where is Thomas? Thomas, Loki is going. Loki, is that it?
Yep, that was it.
Yeah. No, you have to go in the park. Oh, okay. I was about to say, that was terrible. Yeah, that was it. Yeah. I was about to say, we have our tour. Oh, yeah. Thomas, get back here with that.
Oh, I can't do it now. Alright, we're up. Alright, bub.
Be fun.
Yeah.
All clear.
Good job. What?
That water one. We did that.
I thought you did do it.
Not that one. We did the one over there.
Ah.